the power supply has 3 live wires, 1 neutral wire, and 1 ground wire. We just connect them to the main supply and it will work. If the voltage reading is incorrect, we simply swap any 2 of the 3-phase wires to change the phase sequence. If the display shows around 400 or 380 degrees, with the tolerances plus or minus 30, that is considered normal. If it shows only 200 odd degrees, that indicates a phase sequence error. We then swap the 3-phase wires to correct it. Let me introduce the control panel. First, this is the main power switch. Control the power supply of the entire machine. When you turn it on, the indicator light will turn red. In case of any abnormal condition, this alarm buzzer will sound. This is the reset button. This is automatic temperature control. There are different temperature settings available, and you can set the stages, and the system will switch between them automatically. This is the over temperature protection. Normally, you set it to 10 degrees above the maximum set temperature. Just adjust it here. This is the heating switch. It controls the power to the heating elements. The fan switch controls the machine's circulating air. When you turn on the air circulation switch, the corresponding indicator light will illuminate. When you turn on the heating switch, the heating indicator light will also turn on. This is a timer, and this is its on/off switch. Normally, we don't need to use the timer, because the built-in program already has a preset time cycle. However, if you want to run a standalone temperature hold, you can also enable the timer simultaneously. This is the voltage indicator light. And this is the current indicator light. Let me introduce this custom-built oven. It is custom-made for your specific needs. You can set up to separate program stages. For example, you might run a test at 80 C for 10 minutes, and then at 150 C for another 10 minutes. So how do we set that up? First, you need to press the Stop button. Hold it down for 5 seconds. Suppose we are about to start a test. The indicator light here must be on. If you press and hold it for 5 seconds, the system will pause. Then press the Set button. Press Set again. Keep pressing it repeatedly until you see the parameter SP1 on the display. This is the temperature setting for the first program stage. Now press the left arrow button. You can adjust the value here. For example, you can set whatever you want. Press it once, and you can change which digit to edit. OK, confirm that. To confirm, press the Set button. Press it again to adjust the next parameter. This sets the ramp time, how long you want the oven to take to reach the target temperature. If we set it to 1 minute, that means it will heat up at its maximum speed to reach the set temperature in that time. Then, confirm again. The next parameter is the holding time, how long to maintain the temperature after reaching it. For example, if you want to hold at 80 C for 10 minutes, you would select 10. If you want half an hour, you select 30. If you want 1 hour, you select 1 hour here. You can also choose 2 hours, 3 hours, or any duration you like. It's flexible. For now, let's choose 10 minutes. Press the Set button to confirm, then press again to move to the second program stage. For example, setting 150 C uses the same procedure. Set 150 C, press confirm. Next, set the ramp time. Again, choose fastest speed to reach 150 C. Then set the hold time for this stage. It could be 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or even 2 hours, whatever you need. After setting everything, press Set to confirm. Then press and hold the Set button together with the left arrow button. This switches the display back to the normal operation screen. Now the programming is complete. Now we can start the test. Just press this button to begin the test. Now the oven has reached 100 degrees Celsius. If you want to check how much time has elapsed in the 1 hour hold we just set, and how much time is remaining, you can press this button. Then press Set, Set, Set repeatedly. It shows that 2 minutes have already run, and 58 minutes are left. You can keep track of the remaining time throughout the process. To exit this view, just press Set and the left arrow button together.